This kind thing I never see. I pressure the high got me down, my girl load on to me, never ever leave me for trash, girl, you dey make me shiver, girl, if you leave us up, with you again.
Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments, and I thank you for your subscriptions as well. For today's look is a simple summer makeup look, and at the same time I'll be reviewing this bad boy that just came out by Covergirl, and I saw the commercial on the Instagram and I went hunting for this bad girl and finally found it at Walmart. So it's it claims that it's 12 hours comfort max, pore minimizing, oil control, transfer resistant, and it has 40 shades. Okay, so in this video I actually tested it. I'm wearing it right now, and for real it's matte finishing, but the transferring part of it, you have to wait to see that. So if you want to see how I experimented, in order for you to be able to see either it is non-transferable, that it's not going to stain your clothes, or it's not going to stain whatever, you know, like when you put on makeup that you hug someone and you see the print of your makeup on that person. In order for us to find out if this actually worked, because that was what prompted me to go and buy it, because I saw the commercial and now this lady had this white shirt on and it didn't transfer. I said, well, a regular person like me has to try this out in order for people to be convinced. So I went there and I hunted for this makeup and I got it. So if you want to actually see how I did the experiment, please do continue watching this video. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. I already primed my eyes off the camera with the LA color concealer in Fawn, and I'll be coming in with the Sharian palette by Juvia's Place. I pick up the shade that is called Taza. I use that as my transition color, and I pick up a clear brush to blend my transition color. So to deepen my crease more further, I pick up the shade that is called VZ. I'm going to type all this name right there in case I'm not pronouncing them right. I use that to deepen my crease a little bit more further. Remember, this makeup is very simple summer makeup look. So while I was doing it, I thought about making a cut crease, a very simple one, and I came in with the same concealer that I used to prep my eyelid. I used that to cut my crease. Of course, I did the both eyes. Then I'll be coming in with a shade from the same palette I've been using from the beginning of this video. I'll be using a shade that is called Zoara from the same palette. I'll be putting that on my crease. So as you can see, I'm using the pasting method in order for me not to mess up the line of the cut crease, and just placing the eyeshadow in between that carefully in order for me not to mess it up, because sometimes when I'm in a hurry I mess it up totally. So I thought about how about I deepen the outer corner of my eye a little bit more. So I pick up the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I pick up the shade that is called Rowdy, and I apply that at the outer corner of my eyes in order to deepen that side a little bit further, because it looks like a makeup that I've done before that I've not yet published. So this is like deja vu to me. So I said, nope, I have to like darken the outer corner to make it look different. And I went ahead and pick up a clean plain brush to blend the edge in order for me not to have a harsh line. To line my upper lash line, I'll be using the eyeliner by Kiss. So this is the new foundation by Covergirl, which is called the True Blend Matte Made. And this foundation is not a full coverage. I must let you know, if you have a lot of blemishes, you will need to either double your layers of foundation or use a concealer in order for you to be able to have full coverage. And at the same time, another thing I don't like about it is that it turned ashy at the end of the day, like kind of look kind of white. So, but for me to be able to be sure that it is non-transferable, I applied a white handkerchief on my face. That was my first experiment to test it. And actually a little bit came out, but not that visible, very little, but I wasn't convinced. So I went ahead and wait for 15 seconds and I pressed it on my face again, and there was nothing transferred. I said, okay, let me try one more time, and nothing transferred. So it is non-transferable. So let me know what you think about this video. Please leave me a comment down below, and please, if you haven't subscribed, could you please subscribe? Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.